How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to go over one example of how you can hook up lights to our new universal control boxes. Now I have our 3, 4, and 5 switch box models here, but I'll be using our universal 6 switch box for example. Now on your wiring, you'll have your main, power and ground cables, your red and black cables, and then you'll have your cables that are labeled to go to each switch. And then on all of our switch box models, you'll see that the last switch will be a momentary. Now for example here, I'll have 5 on and off switches and 1 momentary. So for example, I went ahead and hooked up one of our flash carbine 140s in the flashing mode on the A switch. And then I hooked up one of our multicolor Virtue 1s in red-blue on the B switch. On the C switch, I went ahead and hooked up one of our Z6 TIR Super Takedowns in red-blue. And then on the D switch, I hooked up one of our Striker 2s in red-blue. And then on the E switch, I hooked up the work light mode of my carbine and the Super Takedown mode of my Z6 TIR. So you'll see when I activate my E switch that those lights will go to their work light mode. So I'm able to set up different functions on the different switches. And then lastly, on the F switch, I hooked up the flash pattern cables of my multicolor Virtue 1, my Z6 TIR, and my Striker 2 to the F switch, so I'm able to change my flash patterns by using the F switch there. So you'll see that you have plenty of functionality that you can use off of our universal control boxes. So that covers how you can hook up lights to our new universal switch boxes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.